Imagine sitting down to a meal that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also embarks you on a journey of weight loss and transformation. This isn't just any meal, it's a salad. But not just any salad. It's a carefully crafted bowl of nutrients designed to help you shed up to 3 kilograms in just 1 week. Yes, you read that correctly. By swapping your usual dinner for this specific salad for 14 days, you could see a remarkable transformation that goes beyond the scale. This is about rejuvenating your body, enhancing your digestive health, and boosting your energy levels. Let's dive into what makes this salad a game changer in the world of nutrition and weight loss. The magic of this salad lies in its ingredients, each selected for its nutritional benefits and its role in promoting weight loss. The base of our transformative salad is a mix of leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are not only low in calories, but also high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full longer. On top of this leafy bed, we add a generous helping of colorful vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, each bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. But we don't stop there. To ensure this salad packs a protein punch, we include grilled chicken breast or chickpeas for a vegetarian option. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it also helps in satiating hunger, making you less likely to snack on unhealthy options later. A sprinkle of seeds, such as chia or flax seeds, adds omega-3 fatty acids to the mix, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and role in weight management. The dressing for this salad is just as important as the salad itself. Ditching store-bought dressings full of sugar and additives, we opt for a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of honey. This simple dressing adds flavor without compromising the salad's health benefits. Now, why a salad for dinner? Eating a light, nutrient-dense meal like this salad in the evening allows your digestive system to work more efficiently, leading to better digestion and sleep. It's also a way to cut down on calorie intake without feeling deprived, as the volume of the salad leaves you satisfied. If the prospect of eating this salad for dinner for 14 days excites you, and you're eager to learn more about transforming your health through natural and nutritious foods, consider subscribing to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of information on healthy eating, natural remedies, and tips to live your best life. And if you decide to take on the 14-day salad challenge, we'd love to hear about your journey and the transformation you witness. Share your story in the comments section below to inspire others to make a change for the better. While the promise of losing 3 kilograms in just 1 week is enticing, it's important to approach this with a mindset focused on overall health and well-being, rather than just the numbers on the scale. Weight loss should be a natural byproduct of a healthy diet and lifestyle, not the sole objective. Therefore, alongside this salad, ensure you're staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Safety and considerations should also be kept in mind. Rapid weight loss can be unsustainable in the long term and may not be suitable for everyone. Listening to your body's signals and providing it with the nourishment it needs is paramount. If you have any underlying health conditions or dietary restrictions, consulting with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet is advised. In wrapping up, the journey to weight loss and transformation is multifaceted, involving more than just what we eat. It's about creating a balanced lifestyle that supports our body's natural processes and leads to lasting changes. The 14-day salad challenge is a step in that direction, offering a simple yet effective way to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. As we part ways, remember that each meal is an opportunity to nourish and cherish your body. Embarking on this salad journey is not just about losing weight. It's about rediscovering the joy of eating whole, nutritious foods that bring out the best in you. So why wait? Start this transformative journey today, and let's celebrate each step towards a healthier, happier you.